dark and smoky room with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do.
Welcome back to Ivy Space. So today's video I'm going to be preparing okra soup, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my okra soup. And before I show you guys, I'm going to be doing unboxing video on this package that I received. I ordered my apron from Ediffiedtv, Fufu5 by Ediffiedtv. So I'm going to be doing unboxing right now before I start cooking, because you know what, I'm going to be using this apron to cook anyway. So I'm going to open it for you guys and show you guys how the apron looks. This is it. Ooh, I love it. It looks so, it's a milk color. This is if you don't know who Ediffiedtv is, I'm going to be leaving her link down below. She has a YouTube channel. She does some of her videos, she does cooking videos, vlog, and so on. And she just recently launched her apron, and I was like, I need one for my kitchen. So I went ahead and ordered one, and this is the apron. Wow. I love it. Look at this. It's waterproof. It's super cute. Let's see. I'm going to be using this to cook now, so I won't be afraid to get all those soup stain on my body. So on the apron it has a logo. Ooh, this looks so good. I think this is called abacha. I don't even know what this food is called. I think it's abacha. It looks so good though. And the wording on the apron is Fufu5 by Ediffiedtv. Guys, she's here on YouTube. I'm going to be leaving her YouTube link down below so that you can go check her out on her YouTube channel. This is how it looks. I love it. Oh yes, this for sure. Oh, I love it. And it's waterproof as well. This is really nice. It comes with pockets. It has pockets, so if you have keys or phone, you can just put it here and you're good to go. So we're going to go ahead and make our okra soup, and yeah, that is what we're going to be doing right now. Look at this. It's waterproof. It's really cute. It comes with pockets in it. I really love it. This is the apron from Ediffiedtv. So guys, you can go on her YouTube channel or follow her on Instagram. I'm going to be leaving her link down below so that you can contact her for your apron. Let's support a sister. This apron is really cute. I really love this apron. It's waterproof. I love the quality. I also love the color, because you know what, it's off-white, so it's really nice. So guys, let's just go ahead and start cooking. So before I start cooking, I'm just going to make myself coffee. I love to have something to drink so that I'm not hungry when I'm cooking my meal, and also help me not to be snacking while I'm cooking. So yeah, this is all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have my chopped okra, my meat, this was a beef or goat meat. I think it was goat meat, and all my spice. I love mackerel fish. If you know me, I love mackerel. That is the only fish that I tend to eat more often than the other kind of fish. So I just put I added the goat meat to the boiling cow food, because I have to let the cow food boil for a while before I add all the other meat, because the cow food is like, it takes longer to cook. So after I was done boiling it together, I went ahead to add my fish to it. Guys, okra soup is very easy, very simple, very nutritious, very filling. When you eat it, it's really delicious. I love it. So this is how I make mine, and I know that there's different kinds of way to make your soup, and this is how I make mine. So after the fish is done, I tend to take the fish out from the soup because I don't want it to like break inside that much because there's bones in it. So yeah, that's what I do, and I'll go ahead and add my okra. After adding my okra, after this process, it doesn't take long for your soup to be done. It takes about 10 minutes max after adding your okra to for your food to be done. So depending, so people like their okra really well done. Some people like it a little bit crunchy. I like mine just right. Like I don't like it too crunchy and I don't like it too mushy. So yeah, so after everything, I go back and add my fish to it, and I let that boil together or cook together for another 1 minute, and I'm ready to go, guys. When I eat my African food, I'm always looking for ways to cut calories, to cut the amount of calories that I eat in a day. So I also recently found out another way to make my pounded yam instead of having the gari or pounded yam. I discovered this whole wheat cereal at Walmart. I think I got it at Walmart, and I've been in Canada for so many years. I've never seen this before. And I don't know, I was so curious one day. I'm like, okay, let me try this out. And I love this whole wheat. It's a cereal that you can make. And for me, I use this for my cereal in the morning. It's really filling. It's really healthy. And I also use this for my pounded yam, like substitute for pounded yam. And after I finish eating this, I don't feel no kind of guilt of eating. This is really delicious and it's really filling. After eating this, guys, you will not regret eating pounded yam, because most time the only thing that makes African food really fattening is the carbs that we consume, like the pounded yam, the fufu, and all that. But this is a very good alternative for your swallow. So it's very simple to make. You boil water, you add your whole wheat to it, and you make it as if you were making a bar. The way I would describe this oatmeal is between pounded yam and eba. So for me, I don't like eba at all. Gari, I don't like to. I can drink gari, but I don't like it if you make it like eba. I don't like eba. So and pounded yam, I like pounded yam, but it's really it has a lot of calories. And whenever I eat pounded yam, I gain weight like crazy. Like I gain weight so fast. So this is between pounded yam and eba, and it's really perfect when it comes to calorie wise. You don't have to worry about calorie wise, and you get full faster. When I eat this, I get full faster. I was not even able to finish the one that I made now, and guys, you just have to try it out and see if you like it. If you don't like it, it's also good but I love it. So yeah, that is all about this video. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe, guys. Let me know which other video you guys would be interested in for me to upload next. Do you guys want me to upload home decor video or another cooking video? Leave a comment and I'll be so happy to read your comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, way your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but it don't